Hey guys, it's Melissa with Web of Creativity, and this video is going to show you the kit involved in the Library of Memory Albums. So the Library of Memory Albums is a book box from Graphic 45 with 2 albums inside, and there is a preview video and a construction video, and the links are below. So we're going to get, for the kit, you're going to get a regular size book box from Graphic 45. 12 ATC cards, Graphic 45, magnets, and then we got the chipboard. We have it's Graphic 45 Love Notes paper collection. So look at that paper. That is absolutely gorgeous. I got some very pretty flowers, roses, instruments, really pretty. And then we have, it comes with the stickers inside. There's another sheet of stickers on the other side of that one, and then we have the Love Notes patterns and solids. So these are really pretty. Of course, your chipboard to make the albums, and then the decorative chipboard to decorate your albums. So with all of that, we also get ribbon for the ribbon closure on the albums. Got that ribbon closure right there. Then we have these corners, metal Graphic 45 corners. And you get 4 of those. And then we have some keyholes that go on the chipboard. So you'll get 2 keyholes. And then on the box is this antique metal pull drawer pull or door handle. So you get that, and then all the little brads to attach all those. So there you go. That's the full kit for the project, for the box and the albums, and then of course the cardstock, black cardstock. This is heavy cardstock. I always use heavy for my construction. And you get all this in the kit. To purchase the kit, the link is below, but you can jump on my website, www.webofcreativity.net.